Hello kids! Today we will learn colors name, English alphabet and counting numbers. At first we will learn colors name. Say with me, colors name. Black, sky blue, parrot green, orange, blue, red, pink, brown, green, yellow, purple. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Write with me. A. A is for apple. Write with me. B. B is for butterfly. Write with me. C. C is for cat. Write with me. D. D is for dog. Write with me. E. E is for elephant. Write with me. F. F is for flower. Write with me. G. G is for green. Write with me. H. H is for house. Write with me. I. I is for ice cream. Write with me. J. J is for juice. Write with me. K. K is for king. Write with me. L. L is for lion. Write with me. M. M is for monkey. Write with me. N. N is for nest. Write with me. O. O is for owl. Write with me. F. F is for fan. Write with me. Q. Q is for queen. Write with me. R. R is for rabbit. Write with me. S. S is for sun. Write with me. T. T is for tiger. Write with me. U. U is for umbrella. Write with me. V. V is for vegetable. Write with me. W. W is for wolf. Write with me. X. X is for X-ray. Write with me. Y. Y is for yo-yo. Write with me. G. G is for zebra. Subscribe for more video.